Hi, Neetu. Thank you, Neetu. Thank you so much. So, are you also going to come on the board with me and proceed the session, or are we good to go like this only? Thank you. Thank you, Neetu. Thank you so much. It is so generous of you, and I have seen your work and your concern for your team members and on your page. That's really nice. That's really nice. Thank you so much. All right. So, shall we wait for another 2-3 minutes for people to just join up so that we can just start the interaction and the session with them? Sure, Neetu. Perfect. We can do that. I can see few people have just joined us. That's interesting. So, Neetu, you just indicate me, and then I'm going to begin the session as by your direction. We can start? Great. Thank you so much. So, how are you all doing? थोड़ा सा हालचाल पूछ लेते हैं एक दूसरे का. How are we all doing? Here we are actually together to have some interaction. I literally said in my post also that there's nothing about I'm going to teach you or something like that, not at all. I'm just here to share my insight with all of you and a bit of my journey, and more than that, I am so looking forward for all of you to interact with me. You know, because interaction makes it exciting. Yay! And interaction let us open up. Interaction let us be, and more or less keeping our words, keeping the way we want something to say about. So, are you all excited to interact with me? Are you looking forward to really talk it out and share our journeys and really understand each other's way? If you all set with that, put in the comment box some thumbs up, or Priyanka, we are ready, or anything you just feel like, anything. Yes, Neetu, you well said, keep talking, folks, because it's very important. You know, because I just want this live session to be very, very productive and very, very constructive, so that you take something, some takeaway from here, and I can take something from you people. And that's how we all can learn from each other. Okay, Neetu, I will. Thank you so much. So, first of all, if you all know or don't know, let me just give you a little insight on, thank you Tina, little insight on that what is life coach, who is a life coach, what is life coaching, और मैं एक लाइफ कोच क्यों बनी? लाइफ कोच क्या होता है? लाइफ, everything revolves around it. Everything revolves around it. It's a universal fact. The word is so universal. Life. So the way there's a coach for a student or for anybody, for his fitness, or probably you can say a gymnastic coach, a cricket coach, a basketball coach, and so on. But this term, a life coach, is too new in our surroundings. It's very popular outside India, but now, just few years ago, you can probably say like 2 years ago, it has become very popular. You know why? Because all the terms wherein people were struggling to get their answers for life, to get their answers that why is it happening like that? Who am I? Why life is like this? Why life is hard? What is the uniqueness I carry? इतना मुश्किल क्यों है ये लाइफ जीना? रिलेशनशिप्स निभाने इतने मुश्किल क्यों हैं? All of us wandering questions all the time. ये quest इतने level तक आ गई that it's somewhere needed to be answered. So the term called life coaching is a term, is an industry, is a profession, is a very noble thing which is giving you all, including me, lot of questions answered well. You know, it's just like that. You're not left with any question mark कि ये कैसे होता है. You know, there is an acceptance through the system of life coaching. And why life coaching is termed as most powerful now? Because it's actually giving the radiance back to people's life. And that's what we chose today, as to talk to you people how to get your radiance back. You know why? Because if you go to a gym, you're only building your somewhere fitness, physical health, all right? Somewhere you go to a nutritionist, you're only fixing up your nutrition values, all right? But life coaching is one big umbrella which is fixing your special 5 buddies. And today I'm going to talk about that only, that how you are building your life around these 5 buddies and you're all radiant. You're all good with your emotions. And this particular system has taken care well of all these areas because it in totality makes a life powerful, unique, and very happy. So let's hear about what is it about. What are those 5 special things specially covered in this area? First, your mental health. You know what it is? It is the most important thing. Why? It's ruling the world. Which world? Your world, my world. Why? Because everything starts from where? Tiny thought. ये thought आया और यहाँ पे life उसके हिसाब से ही चल रही है. Am I right? You can send me your thumbs ups and you can just be in the interaction whenever you want. So, it's totality of what? We all are a sum of what? A small, that tiny thought. So the very most structure where we lose our radiance, where we lose the charm, where we just lose the bliss of life is that thought only. And again, it's that thought only which starts budding in us and we start blooming again. It can be coming from any of your end. It can be from your relationship, your career, your finances, your possessions, your children, your parents, so on. But every damn thing starts with a tiny thought. So a life coach and the coaching system takes you level up from this tiny thought. Now, how does that can help you? How is that helping others as well. You know why? Because how we benefit our mental health, how beneficially we start understanding our thought procedure. That same thought procedure helps us to build our physical world. And once these two worlds are aligned together, we are able to build our emotional world. Now, the emotional world is the ruling world. You know why? Because emotions, human being, you and me, we are full of emotions. We are full of emotions. We are full of feelings. Take it out, we are all gone, shattered, crumbled. Nothing else is left with us. You know why? Because yes, the most important feeling for us is love. The most important feeling for us is love. And once it is placed in our world, in our system, it takes care that how mental, physical and emotional world are aligned together to really bring our bliss back. Now the fourth one here is the spiritual world. You know what is spiritual world? Starting with gratitude. I am very sure आप सबने ये बहुत कुछ सुना होगा, but मैं यहाँ पे कुछ थोड़ा सा अलग बताने वाली हूँ. So just stay with me. We are going to get you there and you are going to love it. I assure you that. So spiritual world जैसे ही हमारा थोड़ा और align होना शुरू होता है, then the last comes the social world. Now how the building is structured, why it's like that, you know why? Because it is the way, it's like should be the way, it's not it's the way, it's like should be the way that how one can structure the life and you can always be happy and at peace. So the priority wise, you really need to take care of that tiny thought and how it can rule all your other worlds. You will be all surprised. Mental world, physical world, emotional world, spiritual world, social world, because we all are social beings. Nobody can stay alone. That's not to even say about it. Yeah. So let me tell you a beautiful, amazing story, and that's a real story. All right. So how did it go? I was on my survey. I was like, let me meet people, let me talk to them and let me understand that how people can say that life is difficult, life is hard, why life is like that, and they have so much of complaints for life. You know, this is the situation of COVID-19, but uske alawa, why were people sad before this also? Why were they losing their charm even before this also? Why? So this is, I'm talking about a year-old thing, that what happened is I started my survey. I started my survey with my grannies, the age grannies, okay. So first I talked to my nani. I asked her, you know, that what is life for you? She said, ये कैसा सवाल है? तो मैंने पूछा उनसे दोबारा कि आपके लिए आपकी ज़िंदगी क्या है? She was quiet. For 5-10 minutes, she was just quiet. And here I pushed her with another question. I said, कैसी है आपकी ज़िंदगी? She again looked at me with a lot of surprised eyes, and she's like, ये मुझसे क्या पूछ रही है? कि ये क्या सवाल है? तो मैंने बोला, नानी प्लीज़ बताओ ना, कैसी है आपकी ज़िंदगी? How do you find your life about? She's like, क्या ज़िंदगी है हमारी? मुझे तो याद भी नहीं है कि मैं कब इस दुनिया में आई और अब मैं कब चली भी जाऊंगी. I don't remember. So I told her, literally, your 4 generations are ahead to you and you don't even know that. She said, ये तुम्हारे ज़माने में होता है, हमारे ज़माने में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता था. I felt really heartless. I felt really heartless. We love her so much. We are there, looking forward that Nani house जाना है, Nani house जाना है. And she's saying like that. I really didn't pull her much. I was like, कि शायद she's hurt somewhere. Let me just be quiet. The next was my Nani's sister. I asked her. Won't believe the same answer. I was staying there and my Nani, she has a Kirtan Mandli. Every evening they sit down together and they just have some bhajan kirtan. There were around 18 of the ladies there that evening, and I asked every one of them. I asked every one of them, आपकी ज़िंदगी कैसी है? How's your life? How's your life? How's your life? How's your life? Do you want to say something about your life? Oh my God! Everybody had the same answer. Everybody had the same answer कि ये तुम्हारे ज़माने में होता है, हमारी ज़िंदगी क्या, बस हम तो कब आए और कब अब चले भी जाएंगे, हमें कुछ नहीं पता. I felt really disappointed, very, very disappointed. Now comes to my mother's age. I started with my mother. I asked her that, Mama, how do you feel that your life is? She said, it's good, it's nice, very casual. Okay, so I was like, oh, thank God, कम से कम नानी से तो better answer दिया कि it's good and it's nice. But still, my question answer was not complete. You know, I told her, Mama, मुझे elaborate करके बताओ, how's your life? She said, क्या वही सुबह उठना, वही रात को सो जाना, वही तुम बच्चे, तुम्हारे आगे बच्चे, वही हस्बैंड, यू नो, वही सब कुछ. या सो आई टोल्ड हर, आर यू हैप्पी? शी इज लाइक, या इसमें हैप्पीनेस क्या, खुशी खुश है हम तो, तुम लोग खुश हो, हम लोग खुश हैं. ओ माई गॉड, आई इज लाइक, आर यू श्योर, मतलब आर यू लाइक सेइंग मी लाइक इन व्हाट जोन कि तुम खुश तो हम खुश? सिट, और क्या, बच्चों में खुशी होती है, तुम लोग खुश तो हम लोग खुश. I was like, okay. I asked my Masi. She said the same thing. बच्चे खुश, हम खुश. Husband खुश, हम खुश. I asked my other people around who were more like my mom's generation. And somewhere, again, I must have asked like 20, 25 people. Yeah. Same damn answer. Now I decided I'm not going to talk another lesser generation to my mom. I started with my niece and nephews. And they were like somewhere at that time in their, you can say, early 20s. Okay, so I asked my niece that, how is life? She's like, life is such a struggle. आपका टाइम बहुत अच्छा था मासी, आराम से पढ़ा, आराम से आगे पास ऑन हो गए, कोई टेंशन नहीं करियर की, just get married, have a happy family, go to kitty parties, enjoy life, and that's all. And I was like, hello, what is this answer? Now I meet my another niece and I ask her, and she's telling me, I think mama's life is better. Okay. I asked my another niece, how's your life? And she says the same typical thing. Aapka time acha tha. Okay. Now finally I decide I'm going to survey and ask the people who are my age, like early 30s. All right. So I begin that. Now I ask my few friends, how you think life is? She's like, what life, yeah? Like, you know, we are so bloody swinging in the two zones of life. जो हमसे ahead थे, at least they had the traditional values, they didn't had much fundas to life, and they were pretty chilled out. Look at the children. They have a fantastic life. At least they have the modern values. They're not swinging between the traditional and the modern values. I again asked another friend of mine. She gave me a very familiar answer. I asked another friend of mine and she's telling me, क्या ज़िंदगी जी हम लोगों ने यार, हमारे टाइम पे तो इतनी जल्दी शादी कर दिया करते थे, कुछ भी नहीं पता होता था. Look at the children today, they are so career oriented, they are roaming the world, they're doing this, they have so many aims, they have so many dreams. And the list is on. I literally sat down and I was asking myself, who is happy? Where can I get my answer? That how's life? Nobody wants to talk about life. They're only talking about the situations of life. What it is? Why it's like that? Do I want to be anybody of them? Sometimes complaining, sometimes saying nothing, and sometimes being dependent on others' happiness and saying that I'm happy about it? No. Not at all. I completely denied, I completely refused, and I wanted to explore my own answer. And believe me, that was the time when I was in the deep shit of my life, almost on the verge of separation with my husband, and my marriage turbulence started. And that turbulence, my quest of these questions, and especially from women, I wanted my own answers. I simply wanted my own answers. I wanted to know what personality I am. what is life, how it should be lived, so that if someday somebody is coming to me and asking me this question, I'm going to give a real good answer so that the other person is highly motivated to work on its life. I can't give this kind of answers. No, I completely deny that. Seriously. Now, whosoever, all of you, like, you can just relate to any of these answers. Can you just tell me? Can we just interact about it and then I can just push ahead? So anybody of you, Geet Chopra says right. Neetu says yes, our mom's life were like this and now empty nest for them. You are so right. You are so right. So anybody else wants to put here, can you relate? What did I say about all these women from different generations and eras? It will be wonderful if you're going to interact, and let's have some happy interaction. Come on, get in. Nobody's entering the zone of interaction. Why is it like that? Kavita Kaushik says, my mother life is good. Yes, life is same for them. All right. Nice, Kavita. God bless her. Okay, so what I had to tell you more about this. So my quest of searching this thing just begin more. It's like जैसे कि कहते हैं ना कि हवन हो रहा है और आपने आग में आके घी और डाल दिया, तो it just goes like that. After all these answers, I was more fired to actually know what is life about and how one can be happy. So let me just read that. Geet Chopra Khosla, life same. Ravindra, satisfied, contented. Priorities keeps changing in life. Neetu says they don't have objective. Great. So see, everybody of you here, different perspectives, different thoughts you all have, and you putting it here. That's great. Wonderful is that. So that was something I learned from my life. I learned from my experiences, and I simply thought कि कुछ तो होगा ऐसा, कोई रास्ता तो होगा, because I have just thought about it, so I need to look for it, because I totally believe in this universe calling that if you have the question, there is definitely an answer to it. You just need to find it out. So that just made me started, and I just met my mentor and I started my journey, and there I literally was experimented every now and then with all the say and with all the teachings, that unless and until you are not going to work on yourself, you are not going to be out of the vicious circle, and you will be just rolling in that. Whatever age you are, whatever circumstances, whatever situation, whatever ups and downs, but there is a certain level every human being can maintain by following and by adapting and by taking care of these 5 buddies of yours. And I was all the more curious. Tina says, very well served. I feel it's in all the mind, as you mentioned, your life is your thought. Yes, it does. But ye thought, what it is, like, which thought, which, like, just like which seed are you watering? So which thought are you watering? That's the most important thing. So that was my thought that time, that I want to learn, I want to explore, I want to get all my answers. So that's what I was telling you. So then he told me, 5 buddies, इनको अपनी दोस्त बना लो, and you will be always carrying your charisma. And what it is, I am all excited to hear from him. Are you people excited? Are you looking forward that what is Priyanka going to share right now with us? Can I have that little child in you, and who is like, yay, I want to know, I want this, like, I really believe that child. I always carry that with me. It's really beautiful. That feeling is amazing for me. Is anybody of you? Gunjan Jain, happiness is a state of mind. Yes, absolutely, you well said that. But it's just a statement. It has lot of depth inside. जितना कहते हैं ना कि समुंदर का पानी ऊपर से क्या दिखता है और नीचे कितना गहरा है, only he knows. So there is certain things, we just say out of it, but we don't want to go to the depth of it, and we just start following the layer which is upper layer. We don't want to go to the bottom layer. So there is another point to be said here, which is very important. And firstly, I was just asking all of you, are you excited? Like really, जब भी हमें कुछ नया सुनने को मिलता है, कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है, कोई नया इंसान आता है, कोई नई बात होती है, so where is that excitement? Like अंदर से एक feeling आती है, ये like little bit. If you have little bit also, just show me. I just love that energy, please. Tina says thumbs up. Thank you, Tina. Thank you so much. Anybody else wants to jump in? Okay, cool. Will not force you much. All right. So those 5 buddies, as I mentioned in the life coaching system, the same thing. The very much same thing. Thank you, Pankaj. So, physical state of mind. The 5 buddies are physical state of mind. The second buddy is mental state of mind. The third buddy is emotional state of mind. The fourth buddy is spiritual state of mind, and the fifth buddy is social state of mind. Now take it this way: physical health, mental health, social health, spiritual health, and physical health. Now take it this way also: the 5 important aspects to take care are your physical world, your mental world, your emotional world, your spiritual world, your social world. Every damn area, if you actually put it into 100, you need to put 20, 20, 20, 20, 20 to complete this 100 and feel the power. Just the same way he taught me, I'm sharing the replica with you because it moved me. It simply moved me. When I look at this, I was like, oh, my this is also weak, 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 my this is also weak. So I'm not 100. Ask yourself. Come on, do it like this. आप 20 में से अपनी physical health को कितने marks देंगे? Now physical health, it's your fitness. Please, no thin and no fat here. How active, how enthusiastic you feel, that's your physical health. So, ask yourself, your mental health, are you just fueling it with the natural thinking, kabhi zyada, kabhi kam? Or you actually read something, you actually put some fuel here and feel that I am actually keeping my mental health good. Third, your emotional health. Are you taking good care of your emotions? Are you able to express it out that how am I feeling and why am I feeling like that? Do you take the authority of your emotions? Or there is a blame game. उसकी वजह से हुआ, इसकी वजह से हुआ. There is a lot of difference and it's remarkable. I know that. I have gone through that journey, so I'm very confident about it, and I'm very happy to share this insight with all of you. Spiritual health. Not like in today's world, meditate karna chahiye. Neetu Vashish says scores are very bad. So that's called the self-checkup. So, spiritual world, not like meditate karna chahiye. Spiritual world is simply getting in yourself, discovering yourself, who am I? That stillness, that thinking with you, yourself, is the spiritual health. That's how you can grow to the level 1, which is any chanting or probably any kind of meditation you can follow. Then your social health. Your social health is that how nicely you're managing your energy with the people, things, living, non-living around you. So you really need to check on your 5 buddies every day. Start your day with that, end your day with that. Again, start your day with that, end your day with that. Assess yourself, analyze yourself, and then you'll understand that how it's all in your hands to get that radiant and spark back in your life. It definitely starts with your inner discovery. Definitely. And that's again that thought जिसके अंदर आ जाए, वो क्वेस्ट जिसके अंदर आ जाए कि मुझे अपनी लाइफ अपने हिसाब से, अपने तरीके से, अपने हिसाब से चाहिए. I can't be sad. I need to be happy in my life. The day you decide that, the day you decide anything, it's possible. It's damn possible. So the real radiance is that spark. Whosoever is asking you, how's life? And you're like, life is good. Life is interesting. Life is so beautiful. Life is huge. Life is short. So live it very powerfully, very with lot of awareness, with lot of curiosity, just like a child. Just all the day thinking, मैं बड़ा होऊंगा तो ये करूंगा, ऐसे होगा तो ऐसे होगा. Imagination, plannings, in a happy way. Keep yourself motivated. Keep yourself absolutely in action taking. So that was all about today. Thank you so very much. I take my sessions on call. As I said, I'm a lifestyle coach, and I'll just take up the questions which are just coming on the screen. In between, I have my page by the name Lifestyle Coach Priyanka. You can just go look around, and if it's not me, it can be any other life coach, therapists, counselors. There are a lot of people who are actually giving a lot of insights, and you can simply amazingly work on yourself and make your life your way. So Sheetal says, does energy which we exchange with non-living things matter? For sure. For very sure. That's why it's so important to declutter your brain and declutter your house. Make it a habit that every weekend you're going to spend 1 hour and you're going to declutter everything which is not in your use, because it holds the space, it holds the energy which is better to give to that energy which needs that space. So please do that. It's very important. Life is all about putting in this space. Rest, everything, your thought will take care. Rishas says, nice thoughts and positive vibes. Keep going, doing good. Thank you so very much. Gunjan, thank you so much. Zindagi gulzar hai. Yes, Zindagi haseen hai, Zindagi gulzar hai. It is, undoubtedly. So thank you people, thank you so much. You can follow my page and please just share it with people. What have you just learned today? What we have learned today. And it's all about share and grow. Thank you very much. So Neetu, I'll take your off, and thank you Gunjanji, thank you very much. If you say, I mean it, I totally take it. I'm a very receptive person. Thank you very much. आप सब प्लीज़ इसको यूज़ करके ज़रूर देखिएगा, because I swear, believe me, there is nothing above and there is nothing beyond it. It's all in between these 5 buddies of yours. आप खुद को हर रोज़ assess करिए, analyze करिए, अपने आप को marks दीजिए, and you will understand that where are you heading in the life. Start from somewhere and it will definitely help you. Definitely help you. Thank you so much. Thank you Neetu. Thank you so very much. Thank you Rashna ji. Thank you very much. So just sharing that what I've personally experienced, and then studied about it, took those fads, assimilated everything. I know it's an amalgamation of everything. You know what is it? Learning, applying, action. तो मैं आपको वो बता रही हूँ जो action आपको देगा. So just do that, please. I wish you all a very happy and prosperous life. Lots of love, peace and light. Lifestyle coach Priyanka. Any questions you can just put on my page. I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Sheetal. Thank you very much.